Welcome back. We are here for our next field day at home activity. And our next field day at home activity is going to be called If the Shoe Fits. The only things you're going to need to complete this activity today are a pair of tennis shoes that are not on your feet and yourself. And of course a stopwatch that either you can start or a parent or somebody can use to time you, because this will be a 1-minute event. So go get those shoes and I'll see you in a minute. You are actually going to complete this activity 2 different times. You're going to do it for 1 minute with your dominant foot, and then you're going to do it for another minute with your non-dominant foot. At the end of this video, I'll post a little section that shows you how to determine which foot is your dominant foot and which is your non-dominant foot. All right, now that you have your shoes, here are the rules to the game today. What you're going to do is you're going to use 1 foot at a time and slide just your toes into the shoe. You are going to use your leg to flip the shoe and see how it lands. You're going to score points based on how your shoe lands. If your shoe lands on its side, like this, you're going to earn 1 point. If your shoe lands straight up, then you're going to earn 2 points. And if you can get your shoe to land straight up and down without falling over on its side, then you're going to earn 3 points. So that's how you're going to earn points. However, if you flip your shoe and it hits you somewhere, or if you're doing this inside and you hit some furniture or hit something like that, then you don't earn any points. So make sure that you have enough space to flip your shoes safely for you and the objects and people around you. I've cleared off this area here, so I have plenty of shoe flipping space. I have not actually tried this yet. I wanted it to be very authentic, and so you're gonna see me doing this for the very first time. So get ready. Okay, we're ready. I'm gonna start my watch for 1 minute. You are going to slide only your toes into your shoe. We have 1 minute to see how many points we can earn while flipping our shoe. Okay, ready? Let's go. 2. 1, so 3. 2 more, that's 5. On my side, that's 6. 8. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14 time. All right, so on my dominant foot, I scored 14 points. So now we're gonna do the same thing again, and I'm gonna use my left shoe. You don't have to. And for 1 more minute, we're gonna do our non-dominant foot. Okay, ready? Go. Oh, 1. 2 more is 3. 1 more is 4. On its side, that's 5. 1 more is 6. 1 more is 7. 2 more is 9. On its side, that's 1 more, 10. On its side, that's one more, that's 11. Oh, on its side again, that's 12. Time's up. How'd you do? On my dominant foot, I was able to score 14 points. On my non-dominant foot, which is my left foot, I was able to score 12. Take those numbers that you did and challenge somebody else, or maybe try to compete against yourself and do it multiple times and see if you can improve. Every time I flipped it, I moved back to my starting position just so I could stay within the camera screen, but you don't have to do that. So wherever your shoe lands, you can just pick it up and start flipping right from there. Don't forget to record your scores on your field day event sheet. If you'd like to continue this event, there are some other ways that you could change it and do a little experimenting with it. Maybe you could go and find a shoe that's too big for you, or a different type of tennis shoe, or a shoe that's too small for you. So try it with multiple different types or sizes or weights of shoes and see if that changes the results that you get from using your dominant foot and your non-dominant foot. Don't forget, share your pictures and videos with us and let us see how you did. I hope you had a great time, and we'll see you at the next event. Have a good day.